Engine flush machine operation. Lift the car. Remove the engine oil sump screw. Release the used oil. Choose the adapter same as the oil sump screw and tighten to oil sump. Install the seal circle. Add the engine clean solvent until the seal circle submerged. Install a new filter. Tight up the filter cover. Put the clean solvent tank into the machine. Connect the inlet hose of the machine with oil sump adapter. Lower the car. Open the engine cover. Install the special cone tip. Connect the power 220V. Switch on the machine. Charge. Press charge. Set up charge time to 5 minutes. Press run. Begin to fill the new clean solvent into the vehicle cylinder. Clean. Press clean. Set up clean time to 5 to 10 minutes. Press run. Begin to clean. Press stop when clean finished. Pump back. Press pump back. Set up the pump back time to 6 minutes. Press run. Pump back finished. Press stop. Air flush. Lift the car. Remove the hose. Press air flush. Set up the air flush time to 1 to 2 minutes. Connect the air compressor hose. Press run. Regulate the pressure to 2.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Press stop. Refill new oil.